Sir Isaac Newton, one of history's most influential scientists, made groundbreaking contributions to physics, mathematics, and astronomy. Here are 8 fascinating facts about him. 1. Laws of motion. Newton formulated the 3 laws of motion, which laid the foundation for classical mechanics. His first law states that an object remains at rest or in uniform motion unless acted upon by an external force, while his second law relates the force acting on an object to its mass and acceleration. The third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. 2. Universal gravitation. Newton's law of universal gravitation revolutionized our understanding of the universe. He proposed that every mass attracts every other mass with a force proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This law explained the motions of planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. 3. Optics. Newton conducted experiments with light and prisms, demonstrating that white light is composed of a spectrum of colors. He also developed the theory of color, showing how colors arise from the dispersion of light. His work laid the groundwork for the field of optics. 4. Mathematical contributions. Newton made significant contributions to mathematics, particularly in the development of calculus. He independently developed the fundamental theorem of calculus, which relates differentiation and integration, and his notation and methods are still used today. 5. Royal Society. Newton served as president of the Royal Society, one of the most prestigious scientific organizations in the world. During his tenure, he oversaw the publication of his seminal work, Philosophia Naturalis Principia Mathematica, which laid out his laws of motion and law of universal gravitation. 6. Alchemist. Despite his groundbreaking scientific achievements, Newton was also deeply interested in alchemy and the occult. He spent a considerable amount of time studying alchemical texts and conducting experiments in pursuit of the Philosopher's Stone, a legendary substance believed to transform base metals into gold and grant immortality. 7. Conflict with Leibniz. Newton had a bitter dispute with German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz over the invention of calculus. The controversy, known as the calculus priority dispute, centered on accusations of plagiarism and priority of discovery. The debate tarnished Newton's reputation in later years. 8. Later life. In his later years, Newton served as Master of the Mint in England, overseeing the nation's coinage and working to combat counterfeiting. He also continued his scientific research and writing, contributing to fields such as optics, mathematics, and theology. These facts offer a glimpse into the remarkable life and achievements of Sir Isaac Newton, a towering figure in the history of science.